Hello guys! Today we have very interesting theme, CLIL, Natural Science. Our learning objectives. And at first, please open your student's book at page 108. Archimedes. Please listen and read.
CD2, track 39. Listen to the article.
Archimedes. Archimedes was a Greek mathematician and inventor from the 3rd century BC. He lived in Syracuse and was both friend and relative of King Hiero II, the ruler of Syracuse. King Hiero's Problem. The king thought that his new crown was not made out of solid gold. He thought it had probably been made out of silver, then covered in gold. The king asked Archimedes to find out, but told him he couldn't damage the crown. Archimedes' Problem. Archimedes knew that to see if the crown was pure gold, he could not just weigh the crown. He had to know both the volume and the weight of the crown. A crown made of solid gold would have the same volume as pure gold of the same weight. His problem was how to calculate the volume of an irregularly shaped object. Archimedes' Solution. He realized that if he could measure the amount of water the crown displaced, he'd be able to calculate its volume. He put the crown in water. Then he put pure gold of the same weight in water and measured the amount of water that was spilled by each object. The results. The crown and the pure gold displaced different amounts of water. Archimedes now knew the weight of both objects and the volume of both objects. The conclusion. Although the crown and the quantity of pure gold weighed the same, they did not have the same volume, and therefore could not be the same material. The king's crown was not made of solid gold. Archimedes was in fact investigating the density of the material the crown was made of and comparing it to the density of solid gold. Density is calculated by dividing the weight of an object by its volume.
Okay, nice. Please read this text again yourself. Енді балалар өздерін осы мәтінді оқып көріңдер. Осы формуланы сендер қай пәннен өттіңдер? Нені білдіреді? Соны тауып алыңдар. So, exercise number 3. Read the article again. Are these sentences true or false? Correct the false sentences. Енді балалар, үшінші тапсырмаға назар аударамыз. Осы сөйлемдерді оқып, дұрыс немесе қате жауаптарын беріңдер. Егер қате сөйлем болса, оны мәтін бойынша дұрыс жауаптарын тауып жазып алыңдар. Okay, and next we have some interesting videos, a cool experiment. Let's watch.
A cool experiment. Every year, global temperatures are rising. What does this mean for our planet? Will the ice at the North and South Pole melt completely? Are we going to have more storms and floods? Eric Gustafsson, an 11-year-old American scientist, wants to know why this is happening. First, he looked at the science behind it. The Earth absorbs light from the sun, which warms up the surface. Then the heat goes back into the atmosphere. Gases like CO2 and methane absorb it and warm up our environment. These are called greenhouse gases, and they are produced by, guess who? Humans. How much impact do we really have on the environment? Eric has a plan. He's going to build 4 greenhouses, each with an ice statue. He'll fill 1 box with CO2, 1 with methane, and 2 with normal air. First, they build the greenhouses. Carefully and accurately. Each box must be the same. The only thing that will be different is the gas inside each box. They'll need special machines to make the ice statues. These machines are powerful and precise.
Don't you just love that sound? What's wrong, Sky?
But the result? 4 identical ice statues is perfect for the experiment.
Come on, man. What are you doing? Don't drop them.
Now it's time to set up the experiment. Each box will receive the same amount of light. Computers will monitor the amount of gas in the boxes. Eric records the temperatures. After 3.5 hours, the ice statues start to melt. And the boxes with the CO2 and methane were 1 whole degree warmer. What does Eric's experiment show?
I think that this is showing that CO2 and methane are major culprits for global warming.
If greenhouse gases do this to ice, what will they do to our planet? Eric hopes to be part of the solution.
Okay, good. So, our task, according to this video, you are going to watch this video again and watch the first part of the video up to 30 seconds and complete the paragraph. Балалар, сендер тек қана 30 секундқа дейін осы видеоны қайта көріп, сөздерді толықтыру керексіңдер. Okay, and our homework. Our homework is writing an opinion essay. Балалар, сендерге үй жұмысына эссе жазу беріледі. So, you should at first read this example essay. Сендерге міне 107 бетте 5 тапсырмада үлгі ретінде берілген эссе. Оны оқып, балалар, сендер өздерін 2 тақырыптан біреуін ғана таңдап, 5 тапсырмада өздерін, өз пікірлеріңді білдіріп, эссе жазу керексіңдер. All pupils should be taught practical skills at school, like cooking or driving. Қараңдар, балалар, бірінші тақырып. Оқушылар тек қана тәжірибе алу үшін, осындай мектепте тамақ дайындау, тамақ әзірлеу, және мәшін жүргізу, осындай тәжірибеге үйретілу керек. Немесе all school levels should do 3-month work experience. Қараңдар, балалар. Балалар оқуды бітіргенде 3 ай бойы жұмыс тәжірибесін алу керек. Қай пікірді сендер қолдайсыңдар, сол бойынша өз пікірлеріңді, көзқарастарыңды білдіріп, осындай шағын эссе жазу керексіңдер. So, our homework is students book exercise number 5, page 107. Write an essay. Thank you. Bye-bye.